Hey, Bob Kennedy here from Furniture Refinishing 101 with Bob Kennedy. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about test panels or test boards or color samples, whatever you want to call them. So when you're trying to get a color match on a piece, test boards are really important to make so you can get your color down before you continue on with your finish. So what you want to do is get a piece of scrap wood with whatever type of wood species you're working with. If you're doing like mid-century stuff, track down some walnut plywood, or the Danish stuff, maybe some teak veneer that or solid teak will work too, that's fine. Maple, oak, alder, cherry, whatever wood you're working with. Try to get the correct wood species. And then what you want to do is just sand it, give it a nice sanding as you would your piece that you're working on. And then you want to take the finish down. You want to completely do a finish on it from beginning to end. And you're going to see, like here on all my test panels that I've made, this is where I have tape to tape everything off and maybe try a little bit different shade, or a different glaze or something like that, or a different toner. So with these test boards, and I like to make them bigger, especially when I'm doing things for customers to sign off on. The bigger the better on color samples for your customers. And you just want to take them, as I said, from start to finish. And you can normally do this with aerosol lacquer and sealer. It's going to give you a nice result. Do it in the correct sheen that you're going to do it with, and just play around with it. You can use stains, you can use toners, stains and toners, stains, toners, glazes, any combination of stuff. But you want to do that first before you start on your piece that you're trying to color match. Very important if you just want to refinish the top of a dresser or something. It's very important that you make a test panel for that, so that way you can match the color up. So that's what I got today, and be sure to click the link in the description for our Facebook groups and follow me on Instagram, and we will see you next time.